Ooh, I see what's happening here.
Nothing is happening.
Yeah, nothing, just talking.
Well, well. Looks like I arrived at the perfect time. Oh, hi. I can show you the best spots on this island.
I was actually going to show her around.
Oh, really? Then let's make it interesting. Interesting how?
A sunset fruit dance-off!
This I have to see.
A dance-off? Dance-off? Let's have fun. Come on, guys!
This video is created using Cinema Studio 2.5 and Kling 3 on Higgsfield AI. Higgsfield is an all-in-one platform that brings powerful artificial intelligence tools together in one place. It makes creating, automating, and managing tasks simple, fast, and efficient. Perfect for anyone who wants smart results without complexity. Let's get right into it. Open ChatGPT, go to Explore GPTs, search for fruit avatar, select one that you see here, begin a chat, and once you're inside, press the start button. In reply, ChatGPT will ask you which fruit character do you want to create. For your response, you can keep it simple or describe it in detail. It's up to you. Both work. So to demonstrate, we typed create characters for a fruity love show with an age range around 20 to 25. The GPTs then give you 5 text-to-age prompts, each featuring a different fruit character. Next, let's test these prompts in Higgsfield. Go to the Image tab, select Nanobanana 2, then switch back to ChatGPT and copy one of the image prompts. Look at this amazing result. I have created all these characters using the same method that I've described. Now come back to GPT and search movie set makers. Start the chat and give it a prompt. Let's start and let's give it the prompt now. This is the prompt that I'm going to use here. It has created detailed prompt for the movie set. Now let's add photos. I'm going to add my character as reference and give it a little prompt. Let's see what it creates. It has given me the prompt, a detailed prompt. Now go to Higgsfield Nanobanana, and using these prompts you have to create the images. Now we'll use another GPT to write the story. The GPT reads as cartoon story, script writer. This is the prompt. Now this is the complete story. Now we'll go to Cinema Studio 2.5, go to video and add these characters as reference. You have to provide the name of those characters and save them. And also add in the category. We add in the characters. Let's add another character. All these characters are here as reference now. We will also upload the images of the island we created earlier. The category this time will be location. We have the images of the characters and the location. We will create the image that we need. You can use @ to do that. You can go to the scenes and choose the option. and you will have it ready in a few seconds. Amazing. The characters have been put in the location in the islands. That's amazing. I love it. Now we can animate the characters using Kling 3. It's pretty basic. You can do the multi-shot and add in all the scenes that you want to add. We have added dialogues in every shot and now we're generating it. Wow, lovely. That is
Today
so
feels like
real.
something magical is going to happen.
Just act normal.
If you like this demo and would like to get that for yourself as well, you can go to Higgsfield and check out their amazing plans. They have Ultra and Business Plan, and they have an anniversary discount going on. You can go to the website and check this. You can compare the plans and choose the one that suits you. And if you have any questions or would like to subscribe, the link is in the description below. Bye.